the right hand side of the equation?
Glucose and water. No.
See the
Glucose and
equation of
oxygen.
photosynthesis. Glucose
Yes, glucose.
and
Oxygen.
Glucose
Oxygen.
is done. Oxygen is left.
Yes.
Maybe we can also oxygen.
Oxygen
So
diffuses
glucose and
away.
oxygen. Yesterday you have written that what happens to the glucose, and now you will have to write that what happens to the oxygen. So first of all, you write today's date at the top of the page. And then you write the oxygen that is produced after photosynthesis
Now wait, today's date 30th.
that is diffused out of the cells through
Spell
stomata.
form first.
Just write the oxygen that is produced after photosynthesis.
Question number the oxygen.
No,
that
can you tell again?
The oxygen that is produced after photosynthesis
is produced.
Produced.
right,
Photosynthesis.
a part of it is used for respiration.
What?
A part of it is
And the
used
oxygen
for
is produced after photosynthesis,
then comma, then write a part of it is used for respiration.
Part of it is used in respiration.
Then
Then ma'am.
And the part is diffused away through the diffused away from the plant body,
And the part-
another part and another part is diffused away from the plant
And
body
another
through
part.
stomata. Yes, is diffused away from the plant body through stomata.
Diffuse away
Plant
the
body
plant
through
body.
plant body through stomata.
Through stomata. Okay. So what happens to the substances present to the left hand side of this equation, that is carbon dioxide and water that you have written
Yes,
yesterday,
ma'am.
and what happens to the substances that are present at the right hand side of this equation, that is glucose and oxygen, that
This
also
also
you have written.
Yes, ma'am, that we did.
Yes.
4A.
Now we'll do question number 4.
Now let's see what is there in number 4.
explain how each of the following helps a leaf to photosynthesize.
Explain how each of the following helps a leaf to photosynthesize. A, there is an air space behind its stoma. So how that air space helps the plant? Help the plants?
Take
Tell me.
in the carbon dioxide,
carbon
and
dioxide to get in the plant.
oxygen.
And release the oxygen.
So it write 4A, the air space behind its stoma
The air space.
helps in the diffusion of carbon dioxide and oxygen.
The
Can you
air
tell
space-
again?
The air space behind its stoma, helps in the diffusion of carbon dioxide and oxygen.
Each stoma
Yes,
help in
in the diffusion of carbon dioxide and oxygen.
diffusion
Diffusion of
carbon
Carbon-
dioxide.
side and oxygen. Yes, ma'am.
Then number B, you see the epidermal cells of a leaf do not have chloroplasts. So how it helps the photosynthesis? Helps in the photosynthesis. Epidermal cells do not have chloroplasts. So how it helps in the photosynthesis? This is why the sunlight can enter the internal part of the leaf, right? The upper epidermal cells, they are like transparent. They do not have chloroplasts. This is why the sunlight, enough
Light
sunlight,
can pass through the cell.
yes, it can pass through the cell and
Okay.
enter the
Yes.
internal.
Because there is no chlorophyll.
Palisade
Yes.
layer?
Mesophyll cell.
Palisade
Mesophyll
mesophyll.
cell. Palisade
layer.
mesophyll.
Palisade layer.
Palisade
Where
and
the photosynthesis
Palisade
is made.
layer.
spongy. Palisade
And
mesophyll
spongy.
and spongy mesophyll.
Spongy
Here you can
mesophyll.
see. And that
Yes.
answer you can also get here in this box. You see?
Where in?
No chloroplasts in epidermal cells. Here.
Oh,
To allow sunlight to penetrate
To
the
penetrate the
mesophyll
cell.
layer. So
Ma'am, this will
how
be-
you will write this answer? Write 4B.
yes, ma'am.
The epidermal cells of a leaf do not have chloroplasts.
Wait.
The epidermal cells of a leaf do not have chloroplasts. This is why maximum sunlight can penetrate.
Wait, man. Do not have chloroplast.
This is why maximum
This is-
sunlight
This is why maximum
Sunlight
can penetrate to the mesophyll layer.
maximum sunlight can penetrate the
Can
layer.
penetrate to the mesophyll layer.
Ma'am, mesophyll layer.
Yes, look here, look at the screen. Because these cells, these epidermal cells do not contain chlorophyll. So this is why sunlight can enter and penetrate into the mesophyll layer. And
this
all
is
the
why
cells of the
maximum
mesophyll
sunlight
layer
can
penetrate to the mesophyll layer. All these cells of the mesophyll layer, they contain chloroplasts so that they can trap the sun's energy and they can perform photosynthesis. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So just write this line. No need to explain it. Just write this single line.
Okay, ma'am.
This is why maximum sunlight can penetrate to the mesophyll layer. Number C. Leaves have a large surface area. Leaves have a large surface area. So how it helps in photosynthesis? This one you can also find in this box.
yes, ma'am. Large leaf
Tell
means
me.
very much chlorophyll.
Large leaf means? Large leaf means? Leaves have
There will
large
be more
surface area.
chloroplast. There will be more chloroplast and sunlight will enter into the leaves.
Okay, so write. Start writing. Write that leaves have large surface area, or leaves have large surface area, or lamina. Leaves have large surface area, or LAMINA, lamina.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Tell.
To expose. To expose.
Leaf have, wait, ma'am. Leaf have.
Leaves have large surface area or lamina to
surface
expose as large as area.
Or lamina. And then
Expose?
lamina to
To
expose.
expose as large as an area as possible
As large
to the
as
sunlight and
area.
air. Write this line.
Ma'am, as possible to the sunlight and air.
Look at the screen.
Possible to the sunlight and air.
As, yeah, as
To expose
area.
as large an area as possible to the sunlight and air.
An area as possible
Possible to the sunlight and air.
to the sunlight and air. And air. Done.
Complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's see what is the next question. Okay, here. The veins in a leaf branch repeatedly. The veins in a leaf branch repeatedly. Tell me what will be the answer. So how it helps in photosynthesis? the veins in a leaf branch repeatedly?
It brings water from the
Yes,
soil
ma'am.
to the leaf
Yes.
cell.
Veins in a
It
leaf
bring
branch
More
water
the
from
weight, the
the
more they
repeatedly
soil.
can contain
so
water.
that
They can take the
each
water.
and every cell, so that each and every cell
Every
of
cell
the
can get the
leaf
water.
can get
Get
water and
Yes.
water and what?
Water
Nitrogen.
and nitrogen, that
Nitrogen.
magnesium, nitrate ion and
Mineral
magnesium.
ions,
Yes.
everything. So you just write water and mineral ions. Okay. So
Okay.
leaves have large surface area so that each cells, so that all the cells present in that leaf can get water
When
and
we
mineral
in the
ions.
past,
Veins in a leaf branches are writing to D.
can
Question
you
number
tell
D to
from
we are
the
writing.
past?
D.
Write this question first. What is written here? The veins of a leaf branch repeatedly.
The way.
So that all the cells of the leaf,
Wait, ma'am. On leaf, so that
all the cells of the leaf
all the cell of the leaf
Brings from the soil.
the leaf
can get the water and mineral ions.
water and mineral ion.
And okay, also continue this, and the food produced in the leaf cells,
And the food
produced in the leaf cells can be
produced
transported properly.
in the leaf cell
Can be transported properly.
can be
Transported properly.
And the food.
And the foods produced in its cells
in the leaf cell. I am
Cell.
written, ma'am.
The leaf cell.
in
If
each
cell
cell, the foods
transported
produced
properly.
in each cell can be transported properly.
Okay.
Okay, just read it once, what you have written now.
The veins in a leaf branch rapidly so that all the cell of the leaf can get water and minerals ion and the food
Mineral
produced
ions, yes.
and the food produced in the each cell can be transported properly.
Yes. Okay. So that they can get the water, they can perform photosynthesis, and after photosynthesis, the food that
They
is
can carry
produced
the
that
food.
can also be transported to all the parts of the
The cell
leaf.
or leaf or cell.
Now number E, chloroplasts have many membranes in them. Chloroplasts have many membranes in them to ensure the absorption of as much sunlight as possible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. To absorb as
Right,
much as
To
sunlight
chloroplasts
as
absorb the
have,
energy from the light.
yes, chloroplasts have
much as energy.
many membranes. You look, I'm just showing you this part.
Yes, ma'am.
Chloroplasts have
Many
membranes
membranes
in them
to ensure the absorption of as much sunlight as possible.
to ensure.
Yes. See the membranes, the stacked
Yes.
membranes,
Yes, to ensure.
to ensure the absorption of as much sunlight as possible.
Ensure spelling.
ENSURE.
ENSURE.
Absorption of
As much sunlight as possible.
Ma'am, can you tell ensure after that?
To ensure the absorption of the absorption of as much sunlight as possible.
Yeah.
Sunlight, light as possible.
As possible.
USSIABL.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here also it is written to expose as much chlorophyll as possible to the sunlight. Here also chlorophyll arranged on flat membranes inside the chloroplast to expose as much chlorophyll as possible to sunlight.
Sunlight.
This is also, though it is written in a different way, but the answer is same. To absorb as much sunlight as possible. Okay. In this section, is there any more question? Let's
No,
see.
ma'am.
No, ma'am. No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Number 5.
Okay.
Question number 5 we have written.
Now
No,
number
we done.
5.
Number
Which
5 we have
carbohydrate
written.
does a plant use for each of these purpose for transporting
Sucrose.
which form of carbohydrate?
Sucrose for transporting sucrose.
And explain why sucrose is
Because
used for
because
transporting.
Soluble sugar,
it is
which can be
reactive, but it
dissolved
is
in water for transport. It is not much reactive.
Yes, so sucrose is not much reactive and it is also
It is
soluble
dissolved
in
in
water.
for
So this is
transport.
why. And number B, for storage, which
Starch.
form of
starch.
Starch.
storage starch is used? And why starch is used for storage?
This is an
It is non-reactive and it is
and
not
water.
dissolved in water.
stored in starch grain
So
in
this
cells.
is non-reactive form of carbohydrate and this is also insoluble in water.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
Yes.
So now
This
see
is
question
written
number
in future.
6.
Ma'am, question number 3.
Describe how a carbon atom in a carbon dioxide molecule in the air could become a part of a starch molecule in the carrot root. So carrot root is just an example. What you will have to write, the whole journey of carbon atom from carbon dioxide molecule present in the air to the starch molecule stored inside the plant body. Mention all the structures sorry, it would pass through and what would happen to it at each stage. So I'm telling you, but you will have to
Now I
write it
can't
yourself.
understand
Okay?
the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Can't understand, you will have to write the journey of carbon atom from the air when it was present as carbon dioxide molecule. So in carbon dioxide, carbon atom is present, right?
Yes,
CO2.
carbon.
Yes.
Carbon dioxide means CO2. Here carbon is
Yes.
present. Now this
C1
CO2
Yes.
from the air through the stomata, it will enter the mesophyll layers. Inside the mesophyll layer, there is chloroplast. Chloroplast, inside the chloroplast, what will happen? This carbon dioxide along with water, this the carbon dioxide, it will be converted
React
to
from water to form glucose.
H12, O6, that is glucose,
Yes.
and oxygen. So
Yes.
the carbon atom, see, so we will only write about the carbon atom here. So the carbon atom from CO2 molecule, it went to the glucose molecule.
Yes. Now we will write that carbon atom will mix with what hydrogen that oxygen the water, then it
No,
will make
we will
glucose.
simply write during the process of photosynthesis. Okay, no need to explain it that much. So then the carbon atom will just shift its place. It will just shift from carbon dioxide to glucose molecule.
Glucose.
Now this glucose will be when glucose is a monosaccharide. When it will make the disaccharide or sucrose, it will be transported. It will be dissolved in water and transported in through the xylem vessels, right? And after it will reach its destination, that means where the food will be stored, then the sucrose will again be converted into starch. So the carbon atom will enter from sucrose to the starch molecule. And this is the last stage that you will have to write. So this is the journey of a carbon atom from air to the starch or to the food that is stored inside the plant body.
Journey.
Yes, ma'am. You can explain once.
Okay. So
Understand.
first one is carbon dioxide, right? Carbon
Yes,
dioxide
ma'am.
present in the air.
Yeah.
So from the air, the carbon atom enters the plant body as
Yes.
carbon dioxide, right? As carbon dioxide molecule. And after entering the plant body through the epidermis, it enters to the, it penetrates to the mesophyll layer. And to the mesophyll layer, there are the chloroplasts. Inside the chloroplast, the photosynthesis takes place. And after photosynthesis, the carbon dioxide, the carbon atom just changes its place from carbon dioxide molecule to glucose molecule, as glucose or food is produced there. So now the carbon atom you can see in glucose molecule, and after production of the food as glucose molecule, it will be converted to sucrose for transporting it from one part of the plant body to another. So now you can see the carbon atom into the sucrose or in the sucrose structure. And when
Then
that
transported
sucrose
into the root.
will reach its destination, destination means where the food will be stored. When it will reach that part, it will be stored as starch molecule.
Starch
So
molecule.
then in the starch molecule, we can see the carbon atom. So this is how the carbon atom changes its place from atmospheric carbon dioxide to glucose molecule to then from glucose to sucrose, and finally from sucrose to starch molecule. These are the different stages and different steps you can say. And this is how you will have to write that what happens to the atmospheric carbon dioxide and when it is finally converted to starch. In between, what are the stages that the carbon atom goes through?
Okay.
Clear now?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes.
So you write it yourself. In the next
Okay.
you the
Yes,
answer,
ma'am.
but you should write it yourself.
Tomorrow to
And
English
send it to the
exam.
assignment section. I will check your answers.
We can write.
Now number 7.
Ma'am,
This part,
tomorrow
number-
this will be come in our exam.
No,
Yes.
tomorrow is English exam.
No,
Yes.
tomorrow is
Yes. English.
tomorrow. See students, look here. You will not have to give the class test tomorrow. Have you got any notice for that?
Notice, ma'am. Ramesh sir told us.
Sir told us.
Okay, so you will get
Yes.
the notice. So you will have to give a complete 100 marks full paper only for English, not for all subjects. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We know that.
and that test and that question paper will be posted not in the test option. It will be posted to the assignment section. Just you will get it just as your homework, but 2 hours time will be given. So you will have to complete. You will have to check the timing, exact timing of posting that. It will be given to you by a notice, and you will have to open that, and you will get 2 hours time to complete writing. Okay. After 2 hours, you will have to take picture and send it to that assignment section. Okay. So
Yes,
you will
ma'am.
have to get complete 100 marks, full length question paper of English. So tomorrow is your English exam. Full marks is 100 and time is 2 hours. And you will find the question paper in the assignment section. Is it clear to you
Ma'am,
all?
when we will
Yes.
get the marks?
When the exam
Yes,
will
ma'am.
start, yes, that will be given to the chat section as a notice. Within today, you will get that notice. Okay.
Here an
Just
update
at
also
that
come
time-
in the app.
Yes, an update will definitely come. And now
Today
look
only.
here, look at question number 7. Okay. The diagram shows a section through a leaf. You have already seen this diagram previously. Now question number A is give the letters that indicate A, stoma. So which letter is indicating stoma here?
E.
F. F.
F.
Yes, yes.
Letter F is indicating the stoma here.
E is a guard cell.
Next,
Oh,
number
stoma.
2, the cuticle. The cuticle.
Yeah.
F.
No.
A.
So the letter A is indicating the cuticle,
Cuticle. Yes.
the layer just above the epidermis cells.
Yes.
A is indicating the cuticles. And
Yes.
then number 3, a vascular bundle. A vascular bundle.
A vascular.
Vascular bundle. Vascular bundle means
Ma'am,
xylem
I have
and
a
phloem.
question. Hello.
Xylem
Oh.
D.
M D.
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 Come on.
Aradhya?
Where's the xylem bundle?
Ma'am, I have
Aradhya?
a question.
Yes, tell it.
How to know that which are xylem vessels and phloem vessels in the diagram?
Okay, in this
In the
diagram,
smaller
as it
one?
is black and white, as it is black,
Yeah.
it is in black and white. You can see here that the difference cannot be seen properly. But in this picture that you have seen in your book, just a second, let me show you this.
That's why we have seen the difference between.
See, here you
How
can
to
see,
understand?
here you can see the structure of xylem vessels and the structure of phloem vessel is completely different.
Different, yes.
Xylem
Yes.
vessels
They are
have
white.
a complete
White.
spherical structures, complete spherical structure like this, sharp spherical structures that can be cyclohexane or cyclopentane also. But the spherical structure is very sharp. And in case of phloem vessels, you can see that the structure is not that much sharp, and these and they are small also. Yes, small also. So as this picture is colored, so this is why you can identify them very properly. And the picture that is given here, that is in black and white. So this is why you that cannot be differentiated properly. And this is why
Yes.
xylem and phloem is not asked separately also. But here you, if you see, yeah, very minutely, then you can see some bold structures are here. These
Yes.
are the xylems.
Yes.
Yes.
These are the xylems. And
Xylem.
here these structures,
Phloem.
these are the xylems. And these are the phloems. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
As it is not clear here, so it is not asked also in the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next question B, the upper layers of a leaf are transparent. Suggest an advantage to a plant of this feature. The same thing that you have written previously.
Yes,
So
ma'am. To
the
penetrate
upper epidermal layers are transparent. This is why the sunlight
can penetrate the mesophyll layer. Penetrate in
they can
mesophyll layer.
easily penetrate to the mesophyll layers.
Mesophyll layer. And we have written in question number 4B.
The same answer. Yes, the
Yes.
answer will be
Yes,
the same.
yes.
Now the cuticle is made of a waxy material. Suggest an advantage to a
Yes.
plant of this feature.
It stops the water to evaporate.
Yes, so it prevents over transpiration. You can write. Just
Yes.
write this one, okay? So
Now,
write.
stop water
Write
to
the,
evaporate.
yes, right.
Stop over transpiration.
The cuticle present. The
I will write
cuticle
now.
present. Yes, write it.
Wait, ma'am.
Ma'am, wait.
Write the cuticle or the the cuticle or the waxy material
The cuticle
or the waxy material
or the waxy
Ma'am,
material.
wait.
Yes, then
secreted by the upper epidermis cells
secreted
by the upper epidermis cells helps to prevent over transpiration. Helps to prevent over
by
transpiration.
the upper epidermal.
Prevent over.
The cuticle or the waxy materials, secreted by the upper epidermis cells helps to prevent over transpiration and water loss from the plant body. Helps to prevent over transpiration and water loss from the plant body.
From the plant.
Loss
From the plant body.
Transpiration
And water loss from the plant body.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
yes,
You
ma'am.
can
Done.
also simply write up to overtranspiration. Overtranspiration means due to overtranspiration, the plants they start losing more and more water. So and then due to lack of water, they can even die. So you can simply write up to overtranspiration also. That will be also okay. Helps to prevent overtranspiration. That will
Okay.
be also okay. So mark up to this. Tomorrow we will discuss the next questions that are given in this
Monday.
exercise. We will come not tomorrow, on Monday. Yes, we will complete this part, and for today this one will be your homework. Okay, question
Question
number
number
6.
Where, ma'am?
Yes, Amuddin.
Up to where?
Question number 6 only.
Question
Only
number
up
6 only is your
And
homework.
complete today we have
Yes,
complete
ma'am.
up to question number B2, 7B2.
7B2. Yes,
Create an assignment, we will submit that.
yes. Okay, so that's it for today. See you all after 5
Thank you, ma'am.
minutes in the English class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
only one
Okay,
student
ma'am.
is absent today. Wait. Let me see who is absent there.
No, ma'am, not
One
only
student,
one
no.
student.
14 are
5 students, 5. Five.
Wait,
14.
don't leave the
Student
class. Don't leave the class. I'm calling your names. Just respond to me. Don't leave the class. No one should leave the class. I can see one student have already left the class.
Aradhya.
Yeah,
Abu Sahid. Abu Sahid.
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Raj Singh.
He's present.
Aditya Raj Singh absent.
Absent.
Afisa Sultana.
Present, ma'am.